you for the welcome. I love you back. How many of you are computer science? How many engineering? How many robotics? How many are just here to watch? This is such an extraordinary time. I'm so jealous of you. I am so jealous of you because you're graduating at exactly the right time. The entire industry, the entire world is changing. Everyone is in the same starting line, just like you. It is also your great opportunity, armed with incredible technology. It's a great opportunity for you to shape this technology, to apply this technology, to take advantage of this technology. It's a brand new technology, so you are the expert. The opportunity for you is incredible. Computer science, as you know, is changing. Robotics is enabled because of artificial intelligence. Engineering is changing, enabled by artificial intelligence. When I grew up, when I was at your level, at the same time as you, I came into the world at the time that computers became popular, that computing became available. The generation before me had no computers. I was the first generation, one of the first engineers in the world to take advantage of computers to do my job. I was one of the first engineers in the world to use computers to do chip design. You are going to use artificial intelligence to do chip design. You are going to use artificial intelligence for mechanical design. You will use artificial intelligence for energy discovery. You will use artificial intelligence for life science and drug discovery. You will use artificial intelligence for artificial intelligence. Otherwise known as robotics. So, you are exactly graduating at the same time in the world as I was. I took advantage of that. I saw when the computer came out, I was not afraid of the computer. I was happy to see the computer. I was happy to see the computer because when I was a teenager, I was a gamer. How many of you are gamers? How many of you know GeForce? How many of you knew NVIDIA before AI? Exactly. Exactly. So, you will learn AI. You will learn how to use AI. You will learn how to harness AI. You will learn how to shape AI to take advantage of this new incredible technology for your future. I'm very happy that you're here to build OpenClaw. Is that right? You're going to build your own claw. Now, of course, I love OpenClaw. I also love Hermes. I love many open code. The big idea, the big breakthrough and the big observation, and I told everybody in the world, large language models is the modern version of code. In my generation, we had to write code. We typed the code into a computer. Old-fashioned way, typing. Now, your code has to learn. We call it a large language model. But the code is not useful unless there's an operating system. Just as during my time, there was code plus operating system equals application. In your time, it's large language model, LLM, plus harness equals AI. Does that make sense? Yeah! So harness is very important. The harness, when it came together, I was very happy to see it because an AI model needs to have memory management. It needs to have I/O. It needs to do scheduling, otherwise known as orchestration. All of the old ideas of computing has a new word. OS is now harness. Memory management is now KV cache. Everything has a new name, right? Yeah. But it's an old concept. New name, old concept, but the old concept, the same ideas are now re-emerged in a very big way. Now we have OpenClaw. We now have agents. These agents can understand context. It can learn from skills files. You guys know, right? Skills. It can learn from essentially the manuals of robotics, the manuals of AI, the manuals of agents. It can learn from skills. It can have long-term memory, working memory. It can ask other agents to help, means build a team, work with a team, solve problems, iterate, reason, plan, act, use tools, use Excel, use a web browser. In the future, it'll use ANSYS, it'll use Omniverse, it'll use AutoCAD, it will use Photoshop, it will use Premiere, it'll use all kinds of tools to solve problems, just like us. And it will keep on trying, until it succeeds. And after it succeeds, it will write down its memory. We call it skills. Next time, when it does it again, it's smarter. So your AI gets smarter and smarter and smarter each time you use it. We have now arrived at a level of AI capability that's very useful. You put the claw in a robot. The robot, that claw, will understand, connect with all the motors and the sensors. And it will ask, how do I control the motors? Let me read a manual. Let me read the skills file. How do I control these sensors? Let me read the skills file. And it will automatically learn how to use the bodies of the robot. Incredible. We now have agents that are digital. Agents inside a physical body is called a robot. And so now the modern world of AI is about to bang. It's about to take off. And you are here at exactly the right time. Korea is also very special. Korea is very special. Well, first of all, you know, Korea is special because you have K-pop, you have K-culture, you have K-drama. K-pop is very happy. K-drama is always very sad. You have K-fried chicken. So good, so good, so good. You have K everything, right? Yeah. And everything K is so popular today. All you have to do is add K. KV cache. You add K and it becomes instantly popular. K Jensen. I like that. When I go home tonight, I'm going to tell my wife. When I left this morning, I was just Jensen. Now, I am K Jensen. Yes. So next time I come back, call me K Jensen. And so Korea is very special. It's very special because in no industry in the world, in very few industries in the world, in very few countries in the world, do you simultaneously have excellent electronics, excellent cloud, mobile cloud, excellent mechanical engineering and manufacturing, and also excellent AI. Do you agree? Yeah. And you cannot build a future robot if you're not excellent in electronics, in mechanical, in AI, and cloud. It is not possible. It is not possible. Just as our data center is called cloud data centers, a robot's data center is AI factories. And so in order to create the robotics industry, in order to realize the dream of robots and make it available to the world, you have to be good at all of these things. Korea is good at all of these things. Somehow, I don't know how you did it. Somehow, in the last 20 years, in this one country, you have united all of these most important skills. So this is your time. I'm very jealous of all of you. You are growing up in exactly the right country. When you go travel around the world, everybody will know you came from the country of BTS. Everywhere you go, you know that Hwasa came from here. Do you know Hwasa? Yeah. Is she popular here? Yeah. Okay. Somehow she's popular on my YouTube. I think it's because I watch so much Hwasa. Hwasa keeps showing up. She has a new song. It's so cute. Is that right? Yeah. One morning, all of my YouTube feeds are so cute. So cute. So, you are really in a great opportunity. I hope you take advantage of it. You have to work hard. There's nothing great can be achieved without suffering and working hard. Your country was galvanized out of hardship. Isn't that right? Your parents, your grandparents, you were galvanized out of hardship. In just 50 years, look at this. In just 50 years, such a short period of time, here's Korea, exporting culture, exporting beauty, exporting music, exporting movies, exporting technology, and in the future, exporting robots, exporting AI. So I'm very proud of all of you. Thank you for your welcome, and thank you for the new name.